Hi, this is Tim Morrow from Electrical Maintenance. I'm here with Jake Henning from HVAC. We wanted to talk to you about life-saving rules, and one of them is the safe electrical work practices and how we can apply them and use them during the outage. So let's talk about that life-saving rule. When removing electrical equipment from service to perform work, all equipment shall be treated as energized until isolated under a clearance and verified de-energized by a live-dead live voltage measurement. 4 kV and above shall also be grounded. Proper personal protective equipment and or insulated protective equipment shall be used when there is a risk of electrical contact or arc flash. So the takeaway for most people at Cook is going to be making sure you're working underneath the clearance and to perform a proper live dead live zero energy check by a qualified individual. So some additional things we do at Cook, in addition to the life-saving rules that help keep us safe, are in the Standard of Excellence Guide, pages 15 and 16, for electrical safe work practices. Electrical cords shall be inspected for damage prior to use. Extension cords, do not run them in cable trays. Suspend cords and secure them in the overhead with a minimum of 7-foot distance, and suspend them or connect them to structural components. Do not suspend or attach them to plant equipment. Cords that cannot be run in the overhead should be run to meet the following criteria. So if you can't run it in the overhead, you can run it on the floor, but this is what you have to do. You have to route it as close to the wall as possible. Secure it to keep it out of normal walkways to the maximum extent possible. And when you have to run it across a walkway, the cord needs to be protected from being cut, damaged, frayed, and identified with caution flagging. And now we're going to turn it over to Jake. He's going to talk about using portable electrical hand tools in the power block.
Page 13 of the Standards of Excellence Pocket Guide discusses portable hand tools and says they shall meet one of the following requirements. They must be equipped with a 3-wire cord with the third prong being grounded. They must be of the double insulating type, which is identified by a square within a square symbol. Or they must be connected to an isolating transformer or source, which is not very common at Cook. Or they must be connected to a power supply protected by a GFCI. A GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter, is a device that measures the incoming current and compares it to the return or outgoing current. Under normal circumstances, these values will be equal and the tool can be used. If the tool is faulty or grounded, these currents will not be balanced and the GFCI will open the circuit and stop current flow to the tool, therefore protecting the user. It's designed to detect any difference between 4 or 5 milliamps and react quickly in less than 1/10 of a second to shut down any circuit. The GFCI operates on a different principle than circuit breakers or overloads in the plant, which are designed to protect equipment.
So thanks again for watching. Look for a link at the end of this to participate in a quick quiz on the things that you watched today and to check your knowledge. At the end of that, there'll be an opportunity to participate in a bonus question to allow you to get entered into a drawing for a prize or a gift that's going to be offered during the outage. So thanks again for staying alive and be excellent today.